Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing access. Sign into Google, open a sheet, and name your columns to match form fields so mapping is clear. Next, create a Google Cloud project, enable the Sheets API, and create a service account with JSON key. Once done, download the key and keep it private. Then go to WordPress, open the page with Elementor, and drop an Elementor form widget. This gives you the fields you will map to the sheet headers. Now you connect. Choose a reliable connector plugin, or set up an automation in Make or Zapier that listens for Elementor form submissions. Upload the service account JSON into the connector and grant access to the sheet by sharing the sheet with the service account email. Next, configure the submission trigger and map each Elementor field to the matching sheet column. Make sure date and number formats align to avoid parsing errors. Finish by running several full tests. Submit different entries and confirm they append as new rows with correct columns. Once done, add email alerts or logging for failed pushes, and set retry rules in your connector to handle transient API errors. If something goes wrong, make sure the sheet is shared with the service account email, the API key is valid, and quotas aren't exceeded. These are the most common blockers. Finally, lock down permissions and monitor for a day to ensure reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.